Hello everyone! Today, we explore some of the turkey farms in the United States and see firsthand what it's like to raise and harvest millions of turkeys each year. Raising turkeys is a complex process that requires careful management and special care. This is what happens at a turkey hatchery on a turkey farm in Minnesota equipped with modern equipment. This hatchery is capable of producing nearly 60,000 chicks per incubation cycle. Minnesota is one of the top states in the United States when it comes to turkey farming. With its cold climate and rich soil, Minnesota is an ideal destination for turkey farms. About 44 million turkeys are raised in the state each year. The development of turkey farming industry in Minnesota has led to significant production, accounting for approximately 15% of the national output. Turkey farms in Minnesota typically have large-scale operations, with an average size ranging from 1 to 5 acres. Turkey products are widely used during festive occasions and other special events, as well as in restaurants and supermarkets quality. Turkeys usually incubate eggs for about 28 to 30 days. Turkey eggs are put into incubator with the right temperature and humidity to create an ideal environment for the hatching process. During this phase, important procedures such as egg turning or temperature monitoring are performed to ensure the correct development of the turkey embryo inside the egg. After the chicks hatch, the turkey breeder takes care of them. Chicks are health checked and vaccinated to ensure they grow up healthy. In addition, the breeder will also remove weaker or unhealthy chicks to focus on taking care of the healthiest chicks. After baby turkeys are cared for and deemed healthy, they are transported to turkey farms. Shipping time usually depends on the distance and shipping method. However, usually within 1 to 2 days after hatching, the chicks are transported to the farm to continue the nurturing and growth process. Currently in the US, there are about 2,400 to 2,600 turkey farms, and Minnesota alone has about 700 farms. When the turkey reach about 2 weeks of age, farmers begin to take special care measures to ensure their growth and health. Farmers provide balanced diet for the turkeys. They are fed with suitable and nutritious food, including grains, seeds, compound feed, and clean water. Feed is provided in an adequate and regular manner to ensure that the turkey receives enough energy and nutrients for healthy growth and development. Farmer ensures that the turkey's habitat is clean and comfortable. They maintain the right level of humidity, temperature, and ventilation in the barn to ensure the comfort and well-being of the turkey. In addition, waste management is also implemented to maintain a safe and clean working environment for the turkeys. The United States is one of the largest turkey producers in the world. There are many states that are known as turkey farming centers. Among them, Minnesota, North Carolina, and Arkansas are the states with the largest turkey farming areas. The United States raises about 240 million turkeys each year, and the country's turkey production is about $6.1 billion per year. Especially during Thanksgiving, Americans have a tradition of cooking dishes using turkey, so the demand for turkey consumption during this time is higher. Currently, the United States has about 87,000 turkey farms with a total area up to 2.8 million square kilometers. However, due to different space requirements and other farming standards, turkey production varies from state to state. For example, Minnesota holds about 15% of domestic turkey production market share and produces about 46 million turkeys per year. North Carolina, on the other hand, holds about 14% of the market share and produces about 32 million turkeys annually. The turkey in the United States is a bird that can adapt to a variety of living conditions, including captivity and free range. In confined conditions, turkeys are raised in confined spaces, such as indoor farms or poultry houses. This environment is designed to ensure the safety, protection, and effective management of turkeys. Captive turkeys are provided with a balanced diet, regular health care, and management of environmental factors such as light, temperature, and humidity. The detention system reduces the risk of exposure to external threats such as wildlife or disease. However, there are also turkey farms that practice free-range farming, where turkeys are allowed to roam freely in pastures or open areas. In this area, turkeys have the freedom to move around, forage naturally, and engage in natural behaviors. Free-range farming allows turkeys to be exposed to nature, sunlight, and more space, and creates favorable conditions for them to grow and produce high-quality products. It takes to raise turkeys from the start of farming to harvest depends on the purpose of raising the specific breed of turkey. For turkey raised for meat, the rearing period is typically 14 to 20 weeks, 98 to 140 days, and has a weight of about 8 to 10 kilograms. After reaching the designed weight, thousands of turkeys are harvested by farmers and put into crates to prepare for shipping. The use of iron cages helps to ensure safety and convenience during transportation of turkeys from the farm to the processing plant. After being loaded into crates, the turkeys are transported by truck to processing plants. The processing of turkey is usually carried out in modern, tightly controlled facilities to ensure the quality of the final product. Upon arrival at the processing plant, turkeys are received and processed using specialized equipment. First, the turkeys undergo a cleaning process to remove dirt and impurities from their feathers. Next, they are put through a water treatment system to minimize the bacteria content, creating favorable conditions for the next treatment steps. Next, the turkey will be trimmed and divided into portions according to customer requirements or processing. These parts will be then fed into computer-controlled processing lines to manage the process step by step. The processing steps of turkey include handling, cleaning, baking, and packaging. During this process, the turkeys will be exposed to cleaning materials and spices to enhance the delicious flavor. Finally, turkey products will be packaged in specialized packages and prepared for export or distribution in the domestic market. This video shows millions of turkeys in the United States raised under rigorous and rigorous procedures to ensure product quality. Poultry farmers and companies have adopted modern farming practices using nutritious and high-quality feed while ensuring a hygiene and healthy living environment for the turkeys. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope the information provided is helpful in better understanding turkey farming in the United States. Please feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to update new videos related to agriculture.